Hi, I'm Eddie with It's a Skin, and today we're going to do a cornhole skin installation video for you. First thing you're going to start with is a good clean board. You can use a painted board, a stained board, or in this case we just got a nice clean board. You're going to need a razor blade, a squeegee or a credit card will work, a little bit of tape, and a helper is definitely helpful. So make sure that your board is nice and clean. If you've got to do any sanding, get all the oils off your hands, get all the oils or any excess material off the board itself. Anything that's left behind will show up behind the skin. So you just want to try to get a clean board to start with. Take your skin and lay it out. This is made for regulation boards, which is 24 inches by 48 inches. So the skin is made slightly oversized, so you have a little bit hanging on each side. And what we're going to do is we're going to start from the bottom. So just peel off a small piece and we're going to work from the bottom up. So once we've got a little bit of backer peeled up here, we're going to fit this to our board. Like so. And then as I'm going to work my way up, I'm going to peel the backer away. Have your squeegee ready. Make sure that you keep it straight. Make sure you keep that little bit of edge hanging over on each side as you work your way up. So now with my helper, I can have him hold it up while I just slightly pull on the back and then just work up. Again, always checking to make sure we've got a little bit of edge on each side. Once you get to the hole, make sure you don't stretch the skin. All you're going to do is just work it the way you've been working it, but don't pull it. You want to keep it just nice and even throughout. We'll cut the hole out after we're all done. And there we go. So now I'm just going to work all these bubbles out, like so. And I'm going to do a once over, making sure I don't have any bubbles along the way. Since I had a helper, I didn't need the tape, but if you don't have a helper, you can always use the tape to hold down on the sides to get started. So now that we've got everything installed, we're going to grab our razor blade and we are just going to start trimming on the sides. So just try to run your blade as close to the side as possible. You don't really want anything hanging over the edge because that will tend to lift. Alright, so once we've got the sides trimmed, we're going to do the hole. So what I do is I just cut myself a little area in the middle as a relief. And then just run your blade right up to the side of the hole. And just like you did on the sides, stay as tight as possible to the sides there. You don't really want anything hanging over the sides. And there you go. When you are done with the skin and you're ready for a new look, taking off the old skin's real easy. Just slightly peel up on a corner, grab, and pull. Normally they won't leave any residue behind. They're real easy to pull off. Just keep grabbing and pulling. And just work your way to the end. And that's it. Now you got a good clean board, you're ready for a new skin. Change it out every season if you like. Remember to check us out at itsaskin.com, follow us Facebook at itsaskin.com, and of course on Instagram.